All right, so we won 5 trades in a row today. 5 trades. Let's go over it again. Why did I hop out of this trade, get in and get out? Again, because if I take a step out from the higher time frame and remove my indicators off the charts, and I want you guys to see this. Please just hang tight and I'll let everybody go, okay? All right. So as you can see, let me go right to here. You can see it right here on the 30-minute. And let's go to the 15 and you'll see it. There we go. Here's a level where there's a lot of activity. And again, I could have drawn a zone as well. Okay, you can draw in a zone. And you'll see that there was plenty of consolidation here, plenty of activity. So when the market shot up, it dropped and came right back to this level. And it's still, even after we won the trade, this one is still sitting there. Okay, it's not going anywhere. So that's the reason why, if we add back in the indicator, this is why we come to class. Because it's not just about taking trades and hoping that, oh, well, I'll just go here and it's going to come down to here. No, 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 no. With you coming to class and getting an understanding of market structure without the indicator, it will help you to understand exactly what you're looking at. Then when you put the indicator back on, you have a clear understanding of what you want to do with that trade, whether you're going to go into it and scalp that thing, or like, look at this one. And we had a big winner. Look at this, guys. What did I tell you? Look at that baby. Look at that baby. 6B. 6B. What I tell you? Why? Because I'm looking at the higher time frames. I'm looking at market structure. I'm looking to see, okay, what else is going on with this as far as market structure, price action? Is it sitting on strong support levels? What are you doing? Okay. Let's look at this one. This is the one I drew up for you guys. And I'm upset with you guys because this is the one we would have had 6 trades today if y'all would have helped me out, because I was looking at the other one. Y'all didn't shout it out, but I told you guys, hey, let's keep an eye on this one. And look what happened. This one blasted off. Why? Because I marked it up from a higher time frame. I was able to see, okay, this is sitting on a very, very strong support level. Let's take the indicators off. And I'm teaching you guys what you need to know, because I keep having people who want to join. They want to grab the indicator and go off on their own, that they don't understand what's going on. So again, when I'm looking at this higher time frame, I'm seeing a lot of price action right here. A lot of price action. Okay. And if I stretch this down just a touch, it'll include you too, Mr. Wick, Mr. or Mrs. Wick. And I'm gonna get rid of this line. And now you can see it touched, hung around here, blasted off, hung around here, dropped through, came back through here again, shot all the way up here, came back and touched this level again, shot all the way up, came back and touched this level again, came up again, dropped all the way back, touched this level again. Now that gives me an understanding when I go back to my indicator, and there was the trade. Everybody clear? Everybody clear on that? Okay. Do not just grab indicators because you don't know. Because sometimes what it's going to do, it could, for those who's trying to do this, breakout strategies without coming to and dealing with a mentor, you're going to see that sometimes it may give you a little quick right here, and you hopped in that trade thinking, oh, this is finna go this way. No, it would just stop hunting. And then it took off in the other direction. Like, dang, what the heck happened? Now you understand. This is why you come and we sit as a team and start trading together, because we understand market structure before we even add the indicators. So when we do get the indicator on there, we have a clear understanding of what may happen. And again, I use the term may because nothing is guaranteed. However, it puts higher probabilities on our side. And thank God, praise God, today we have what? 5 trades, 5 wins in a row. Okay, good job.